तो इस वक्त आज हमने सोचा कि आज हम खाने जाएंगे तवूक यानी चिकन. Basically Ibrahim told me that it's one of the best chicken you'll find over here. It's a bit roasted. It's fully roasted, Ibrahim, or a bit roasted? What is it like? Huh? Fully roasted. And the way they are making the chicken, yeah, it will absolutely blow your mind away. Yeah, like first of all, today, to begin with, it's really cold in Istanbul. What's the temperature like? 10 degrees or so?
Maybe 8, I think.
Maybe 8. The reason for it being that it was raining. It had been raining, and good thing for us that basically this place is quite near our dorm. Achha, the good thing about this area that we which live in, Umrani, is that everything is quite nearby, no? First of all, to begin with, if you need any grocery items, if you need anything to get tailored, the food, even the streets are good there. Alhamdulillah, so far the people are good. And the bus station is quite nearby. This is the bus that we use for our traveling on a day-to-day basis. So we are just hoping another 15B. In Turkish they are like 15B, yani 15B. And over there on our day-to-day walk we find our small chickens. So far so good. I just can't wait to get inside the restaurant because outside is quite cold and I don't have the proper attire. Ibrahim, how are you feeling? Are you feeling cold in this or not? Ibrahim is feeling good because Ibrahim has been living in England for some time before and he brought some good stuff from there. This from England or Pakistan? England. Amir boy, na? Just the smell in this weather, the smell of anything being cooked, it's so intense that your mouth might start even watering. Achha, Ibrahim, what should we be ordering? One big whole chicken or something like that?
Order the 2 separate Tavuk with love.
You don't want the big chicken? Yeah, if it's a bit more, we can take it home. Because the big chicken is for like 70 and the smaller ones are like for 50. So I guess that wouldn't make much of a difference. Islam. Do they even have stuff left?
Yeah.
So I've been here. I hope the guy remembers me. And the heat you feel inside, it's so amazing. And you know, this is the thing. Salam, hoş buldum. Hoş buldum. Kardeşim, ben aç köfte biliyorum. Şu tavuk ve o dışında bir şey. Renk chili istiyorum. Renk chili yani. Yani renk chili her. Evet.
Merhaba.
Hoş geldin.
Hoş bulduk.
Ne kadar? Burada porsiyon 45 lira. Yarım dolduruyoruz. Pilav, yufk, tavuk, 50 pilav. 50 lira. Tamam. Tamam. Çok teşekkür ederim. Senin adın ne?
İlhan.
İlhan. And ve sen? Evet. Teşekkür ederim. Teşekkür ederim. ये इन्होंने हमें एक स्पेशल मसाला ला के दिया अपना. कैसा है इब्राहिम, कैसा मसाला? हाउस का मसाला तावुक. तो ये मसाला है इनका ना, चाट मसाला, और ये एक्सेप्शनली अमेजिंग होता है. अच्छा, दे हैव गिवन अस सम ऑयल. अच्छा, दिस ऑयल व्हाट डज इट सीम लाइक? अच्छा, वील टेस्ट इट एंड देन वील नो. दिस इज़ अ नॉर्मल ऑयल. ये इन्होंने विद द फूड दे ऑलवेज गिव्स अस ब्रेड व्हिच इज़ दे कॉल्ड एकमेक. तो ये सीन है यहाँ का ना फ़िलहाल. सो इट्स एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग यार, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. सो लेट्स गिव इट अ शॉट एंड फिर हम आपको बताते हैं कि कैसा लगा. तो हमने थोड़ी बहुत टर्किश अभी बोल ली और अब हम खाने पे कंसंट्रेट करेंगे। और ये रहा हमारा मसाला, थोड़ा डाला। Oh, çok büyük tripod stand. Evet. Sen vlogger. Ne zaman?
Burak.
Tamam. Burak. Ama Türkiye'de insan elhamdülillah çok iyi. Çok iyi.
Abi.
Evet. Kardeşim bu ne?
O limon.
Limon. Oh, çok teşekkür ederim. I was about to pour this whole like this. शुक्र है मैंने नहीं डाला बहुत ज़्यादा, वरना तो लहसुन और बहुत ज़्यादा डल गया तब भी। आई गेस स्प्रिंकल तो नहीं होगा। इसके अंदर थोड़ा सा डाल दें। कुछ नहीं लगा अच्छा। उसमें जो स्मोक आ रहा है ना, अच्छा जस्ट फॉर कॉन्टेक्स्ट, इब्राहिम एंड आई बोथ इट्स संडे टुडे एंड वी बोथ हैड ब्रेकफास्ट। कुछ खाया था इब्राहिम? कुछ भी नहीं, ये तो मैं ऐसे ही रूखा खाऊंगा। जूसी, मतलब अगर इसमें निचोड़ूँ ना शायद जूस से निकल हमारी टेंडर कितनी है। ऐसे देखो ये वो चॉप शेडर ama ketchup yok. Kardeşim bu var mı?
Var.
Bir istiyorum. केचप के साथ इन चीज़ों का टेस्ट नहीं होता। ये आपने दिया? ये क्या?
You be someone.
अच्छा ठीक है भाई, we will try everything. अब हम इनका डालेंगे Tavuk. So basically the guy said, should I give you chicken fat? अब गोश्त का फैट तो अच्छा लगता है, चिकन का आइडिया नहीं। चौक पे शिकर अदरम, so he poured us some chicken fat in this now. So let's try the chicken fat. Wow. How's the chicken fat?
Wow, man.
Wow. So basically, तो ऑयल नजर आ रहा है आप लोग को? ये चिकन फैट है यार। तो अब हम सिर्फ चिकन फैट के साथ ही खा के देखेंगे। अच्छा, the good thing is that right now there are not many people, so you can easily enjoy the meal as well. तो ये देखो यार, इसकी चिकन है नेक्स्ट लेवल है। बाहर इट्स वेरी कोल्ड बट senin adın ne? İlhan. Evet, çok teşekkür ederim. Görüşürüz. Görüşürüz. So yeah, alhamdulillah, the people are very nice. I always come here, yeah. Lezzet Kozde Pilic. ये इनकी दुकान की atmosphere है and it's amazing, यार. I just love it. It's a family business and they're really owning up to it, and walking in the streets of Istanbul is always a delight, yaar. It's always a delight.